Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your wallet balance in Zerion app. Perfect for when you want to keep things private while sharing your screen or recording. So let's jump right in. Open the Zerion wallet app on your phone. Then tap on the profile avatar on the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on app settings. Scroll down until you locate the option called security and tap on it. Now here look for the option called hide balance by flip. Enable this toggle and now every time you place your phone face down, Zerion will automatically blur your balance. Just flip the phone back up and your balance will be visible again. Super smooth. Right below that, you will find another cool option called hide balance when entering app. Turn on this toggle to make sure your portfolio balance is hidden every time you open the app. Great for keeping your info private right from the start. Both features can be turned on at the same time, so you'll have maximum control over your wallet privacy. And that's how you can hide your balance in the Zerion app using smart privacy settings. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more wallet tips, and let me know in the comments what feature you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.